believe एक टीचर इतना इम्पैक्ट ला सकती है that a teacher herself could not understand कि what is her value at times.
Anon team created a positive impact on our minds. These people acknowledge each and everyone's effort with a positive attitude.
You know, Anon has empowered all of us in every aspect, be it our mental health, be it how can we be creative in our classrooms.
It is written, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment, and it is true. You know, ma'am, if we are disciplined and if we are, determined, so then only we will be able to achieve any goals which we set for ourselves.
But when I listened to your words, attended the workshop, then I came to know that there's a huge amount of potential that we all have.
Thankful to ma'am कि yes, डांटने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा. Like हमें अपना तरीका ही बदलना पड़ेगा.
I really felt so good giving medals, and then I got my own medal of that marathon. That at this age also I can get something that was very motivating.
How we can make the best use of learning and lead, and moreover, the most important is the leadership opportunities which Anon has always given us, and navigate to lead oneself and other through challenges towards success.
So we should always be open to learning. Age hardly matters. What matters is that you are ready to learn every day. So
I always starts my class with I. I am special, I am unique, I am kind, I am hardworking, I am dynamic.
I have a lot of stage fear. Whenever I see the crowd, I stutter, I stammer a lot. But I am really working towards it, and this platform has really helped me out to overcome that fear.
Oh, it's your time. Do it now. Vote for it. Go for it. Tell us your presence. So they've always motivated us to, act on the things that are required for ourselves, for our growth, for our, betterment.
I now feel more confident and empowered to create spaces that are not only intellectually stimulating, but also inclusive, empathetic, and inspiring.
Somewhere I was running an autopilot. I had lost the spark or emotional connection. So after joining the Anon, I saw the transformation in me, both an educator as well as a human being.
पहले मैं used to think कि yoga बहुत difficult है, आसन बड़े मुश्किल, I will not do it, है ना? अरे कौन बैठेगा? When we are doing chair with rod and everything, it's so easy, it's relaxed. I really enjoyed all the sessions.
हमेशा ये याद आता है दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करें. तो वो लाइन बिल्कुल सही है कि अपने आप को एम्पावर करना बहुत जरूरी है आज के टाइम में. You need to respect yourself.
But what about our mental state? Are we happy? So that's the question we were always, finding an answer for. And I feel that Anon was the first person I can say.
Feel like, I'm getting nurtured. Somebody's there to take care of my mental health, my, my professional development, my personal growth, everything.
It has blossomed in such a way that now as I enter my class and the way children are excited, they come up, they hug, they come, it feels that my teaching experiences have reshaped now.
This 3-month internship literally imparted me with a lot of skills, especially the patience, the technical things that we have learned.
This is so very important that we not only take but we start applying. There is always हम सब में क्या है, knowing, doing paralysis रहता है कि we sometimes know or even we learn and know, but applying or doing there is a gap. But when we start or bridge this gap, then we overcome this paralysis of knowing, doing. That's where our journey begins, and every journey begins with the first step.